Please hurry up and get this lady off me.
I'm not doing anything.
What is wrong with you, lady?
You have no idea.
Don't even.
In under 11 minutes at a major international airport, 5 criminal charges were filed against a single suspect. 2 of those charges are felonies. What legal thresholds determine when physical resistance becomes a felony and when a spoken word becomes a criminal act? The answers depend entirely on which statutes apply and when.
152 control. Can I get a unit over here at the
Please hurry up and get this lady off me.
I'm not doing anything.
You gotta let her go. Let her go.
For what?
Come here.
Oh! You have no idea.
Don't.
What is wrong with you, lady?
You have no idea.
Don't even.
Because what? She thinks
Put your hands behind your back.
No. Listen to me. I'm not. No. I'm not.
Don't even.
For what, bro?
Give us your hand. Stop resisting.
Dude, do you think
Stop resisting.
Lady, put your hands behind your back.
No.
You have to put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your head.
You, bro.
Hey, come here.
No. I'm not.
Off on that one. Got one. Stay on the ground. Hey, take over for this guy. Okay. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Hey, let go of the cuff.
Double it up.
Let go of the cuff.
No.
Lady.
Let go of the cuff.
No.
Let go of the cuff. Let go. Let go of the cuff. Let go of the cuff.
You fucking idiot.
Double it up.
Get one on. We're good. We're good. Slow down. We're good. You got it. You got it. Don't let her grab the cuff again. We're good. We're good, boys. There you go. There you go. We're solid, boys. We're solid.
Good. Lock it up.
Locked.
Lock it up.
Locked. Locked. All right. Slow. We're good. We're good. We got it.
What do you think that this is gonna get out of you? This is not gonna get anything off of you.
Roll it to the left.
Rolling left.
Roll it to the left. Lift up.
What do you think this is gonna get you?
It's not gonna get us nowhere.
Yeah.
Get up.
No.
Get up.
There you go.
Another one? Yeah, there's another one.
Where's it?
We're looking for the other party, the other female.
She was going this way, but she was not doing. I saw the.
No, she's a victim.
She was a victim.
So I don't even know what she looked like.
Young lady. I don't know if she was African American, but I think she was.
Huh?
African American, maybe
Okay.
19, 20 years old.
Okay.
She was in this way. And yeah, this way, and the lady kept pulling her. And she has a bottle. She's like, leave me alone or I will throw you the bottle. And she was like, what? And then she started making physical contact. And then the people started
Did
getting
you
around.
watch it? Did you see it?
I see it. I was in the Starbucks, yeah.
Okay, can I just get your information just in
Yeah,
case
I'm not
we have...
from the States, but sure.
Okay, so it was a black female.
It was a black young female around 2019. She was maybe wearing blue, a blue jacket.
Blue
Yeah,
jacket?
blue jacket.
Okay, black
don't know
female.
what-
Did she have braids?
No.
Okay, what kind of, how did her hair look?
Just
The black female? Hello, how you doing?
So I told her to catch her breath so we can get
Okay.
the story.
Sorry.
Can we go downstairs? Are you fine going just downstairs? We'll talk with you about what happened.
Okay.
All right?
I
So
don't know
that's
what's going on.
that's the aggressor. She's the victim.
Okay, so take them off.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are you willing to fill out a statement?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
We're going to go in here. Marissa, right?
Alyssa.
Alyssa, we're going to go in here. Can you just do me a solid? I'm going to get paperwork in contact for right now.
my water bottle here on Monday, and I tried to go back to the gate and like peek over. I didn't see my water bottle, so I'm like, okay, it's got to be lost and found. So I didn't know where it was. The lady was in the middle of giving me this paper when that lady and someone else who I thought was security, but maybe he's not, they walked up together, and she was like interrupting the lady while she's talking to me, telling me the times, and then a man who doesn't, I don't think that they were together, he walked up and he said something, so I was like, everybody's just gonna cut me like this lady wasn't talking to me, so I'm like, well, if you could just let her finish with me, because she was in the middle of answering my question. She's like, oh, well, go ahead. So I was like, your mom, like, what the fuck, you talking to me crazy, I'm talking to you crazy. So she was like, oh, really, come at me. And I saw her start walking towards me. I don't play, you bigger than me, I already got beat up by people that are bigger than me, I'm not playing that, like, your mom, that's what I said. So I'm walking away, and then she ran up and she grabbed my bag, and I'm like, this can't be happening right now. So I'm like this close, like, I'm about to swing on you, get your hands off of me, like, could somebody please get this lady, please? I'm looking around, there's nobody. So then, I don't know what, but I still mouthing off. She ran up again, and I think that's when you came. Like, I don't understand. And I'm like grabbing her arm because I'm like, you about to rip my bag. Like, I got this water bottle in my hand, you right here, and I'm sweating. Like, please get the off me, Fred. But then I'm the one who like hit first or something. Like, I'm not a fighter. I'm not trying to be on that. Whatever. I was just thankful that you came, but I have no idea who that lady was. I literally just want my water bottle back. Like, are you drunk?
Okay. Just, you're filling out the statement, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get her to the car. Let's get her to the car.
This is not gonna make you feel bad.
Yeah, come on. What's up? What you got?
I just have gloves on.
I'll punch you.
You're right. You're right.
Yeah, okay. I've been
Hey,
to
that's all my
jail
stuff.
34 times.
You going back? You going
Okay,
back?
here.
You want to go elevators?
Cool.
Yep.
Cool. You're a piece of shit.
Thank you, ma'am. What's your name, by the way?
Trust me.
Come on.
Trust me.
Come on.
Don't even talk.
Come on.
05, you white, what?
You got me. Dude, trust me.
138.
When I get out of here,
Right? One?
when I get out of here, I'll slit your throat.
Check camera
I'll
footage.
slit your throat.
Keep threatening me, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, what? You know what? Check I have 17 battery against Leos.
That's not good.
I have
Got another one.
8 against. You think I don't care? I don't care, bro. I don't care, bro. Trust me. I'll your kids. Trust me. I will. Trust me. You think I'm kidding? Dude, I'll your kids. And you think that you're gonna cry? I'll your kids. You have no idea. You have no idea. I'll slice your mother, your father, slice them to no idea. Trust me. And you're gonna cry, and you're gonna beg me not to do that shit.
Let me get over here. Let me get over
You
here.
have no idea who I am, mother. But you know what?
Do you have anything else?
I'm about that. I'm about that. You have no idea. You think it's a joke and you think it's that? You don't know who I am. And I will your daughter. I will your son.
Well, good thing I don't have none of that.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking about that.
Move your leg. Move your leg.
Let's get her in the car. Just get her in the car. Step up. Isabelle, step up. Please don't make this difficult, okay?
Step up.
Don't make
Get in
Hold
the
on,
car.
hold on. Oh, what?
Step up. Step in the car. Step in the car.
I will your kids. I will your
Get in the car.
What? Okay, so what?
Get in the
Hold on. Hey, hold on.
I swear to God, I will.
Hold on.
You don't know me.
Hold on.
I swear to Mother God, I will your son.
Hey, that's fine.
I will
Get up in the car, or I'm gonna put you in the car. Do you understand me?
I don't care. You think that's gonna take me away from his? Okay. All right.
Now sit.
sit if you want to sit. Hey, you can sit if you want to sit.
Her feet, just drop her feet.
I swear to God.
Where you going, Joe?
Try.
Here we go. Don't bite me. Do not bite me. Hey, she's trying to bite me.
All right, what are you gonna
Get her leg up.
All right, what are you
There you go.
I'm gonna kill your children. I'm gonna kill your children.
That's fine.
Think that I'm not, but I will. I'm gonna kill your children. And I will have pleasure in slicing your kid's throat.
Good.
All right, what? You're gonna like think that this is gonna hurt me? All right, you're not right, mother.
She's in.
Hey.
3 Florida statutes govern the core of this case. Statute 843.01 on resisting an officer with violence. Statute 784.07 on battery against a law enforcement officer. And Statute 836.12 on threatening death or great bodily harm to specified law enforcement personnel. Before analyzing each statute, one federal constitutional standard controls all of them. In Graham versus Connor, the Supreme Court established that any force used during an arrest must be evaluated under objective reasonableness, assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, not in hindsight. That standard requires courts to weigh 3 factors: the severity of the crime at issue, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat to officers or others, and whether the suspect is actively resisting or attempting to flee. All 3 factors are weighed before any statutory analysis begins. Florida Statute 843.01 defines resisting an officer with violence as knowingly and willfully opposing a law enforcement officer through physical force during a lawful detention or arrest. This offense is classified as a 3rd-degree felony, carrying a maximum sentence of 5 years under Florida law. Florida courts have interpreted violent resistance to include seizing an officer's restraints during an active handcuffing. The act does not need to cause physical injury to qualify. Intentional physical opposition directed at the officer or the tools of restraint is sufficient to meet the statutory threshold. Florida Statute 784.07 elevates battery to a 3rd-degree felony when the victim is a law enforcement officer performing official duties. Each discrete act of intentional physical contact constitutes a separate chargeable offense. An attempted bite during custodial transport creates an independent count under this statute. Florida Statute 836.12 makes it a 2nd-degree felony to threaten death or serious bodily harm to a law enforcement officer while that officer is performing official duties. The statute applies to verbal threats. Written or electronic communication is not required for the offense to be charged. This distinction is legally significant. Statements made during an arrest are not automatically protected speech. When a threat is specific, direct, and aimed at an identified officer on duty, it falls outside First Amendment protection and constitutes a chargeable criminal act under Florida law. 3 legal lessons emerge from this analysis. First, any physical resistance during a lawful arrest, including grabbing restraints or attempting to bite, creates independent felony exposure, regardless of whether the original underlying charge is classified as a misdemeanor or a felony. Second, verbal statements made after an arrest are not protected and directly compound criminal liability. Third, under Graham versus Connor, a suspect's disclosed prior history of battery against law enforcement is constitutionally relevant to the reasonableness analysis and cannot be excluded from consideration by the court. 5 charges, 2 felonies, a record disclosed by the suspect herself on camera. At what point does a documented pattern of conduct begin to influence how courts weigh each new incident? And what legal options remain when the most damaging evidence against a defendant is their own words on bodycam? That analysis is still ahead.